In this video, I will show you how to use Sezzle virtual card at Walmart. So let's jump straight into it. So whether you want to use your Sezzle virtual card in store or via the walmart.com website, follow along with me as I guide you through the steps on how to do this. Because I'm in the UK, unfortunately I can't physically show you what to do as I cannot create an account for Walmart. However, what I have done is created this quick guide to guide you through the process of what to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, get the Sezzle virtual card. To do this, you need to download the Sezzle app onto your smartphone, register for an account and log in. If you haven't already, what you're going to want to do is apply for the Sezzle virtual card within the app. You may need to provide some information and just undergo a quick approval process. After doing that, and you've been accepted for the card, what you're going to want to do is add the Sezzle virtual card to your mobile wallet. So this would of course be the Apple Pay wallet if you have an iPhone, or Google Pay or Samsung Pay, depending on what device you have. All you need to do is simply follow the instructions provided by Sezzle to add the card to your mobile wallet. Now this typically involves selecting a virtual card in the Sezzle app and choosing the option to add it to your preferred wallet. Once you've done that, you are good to go, and to use this in store, if you're shopping at a Walmart store, you can use your mobile wallet to actually make the payment. So what you need to do at checkout is open your mobile wallet, select the Sezzle virtual card, then just simply hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction using a contactless payment. If, however, you're shopping online and you're on the walmart.com website, what you're going to want to do is go to the checkout page, choose the option to pay with a credit or debit card, and then just go ahead and enter the details of your Sezzle virtual card, which will be, of course, your card number, expiration date, the security code on the back, and any other requested details. Now, once the transaction is completed, you'll receive a confirmation from both Walmart and Sezzle. Sezzle will handle the payment in installments as per the plan you selected when signing up for the virtual card. Now, just some quick important notes is to first of all ensure availability, so confirm that your Sezzle virtual card has been activated and is ready to use. Also, be aware of any spending limits on your Sezzle virtual card to ensure your purchase amount does not exceed these limits. And remember that choosing Sezzle means you will be paying for your purchase in installments, so be sure to manage your budget accordingly to cover these payments. Now, by following these simple steps, you will be successfully able to use your Sezzle virtual card for purchases at Walmart, both in store and online. So that is how to use a Sezzle virtual card at Walmart. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.